this video, I'm going to show you how you can search Semantic Scholar within SciToolHub and automatically import in the references that you find into your SciToolHub account. From the SciToolHub main page, we're going to click Organize here, and then we're going to go to Add References. And what we can click on is Semantic Scholar Search. This is where we can search to add in our references there. So if we click there, this is going to take us to this search page, and this is powered by Semantic Scholar. So we can search any phrase or keywords that you want. So you can search caffeine and exercise, and you can click search there. And what this is going to pop up is this first bit here is just the buttons up here so that you can save your selected articles. You don't have to go all the way through all of these to save your selected articles. Then you can go ahead and in here, give a name to create a collection for the articles that we bring in. So for example, this is a specific area, and I want to name this caffeine and exercise so that I know all of these things will automatically be organized into a specific collection. Then if you have other collections you want to add on, you can click them here and go ahead and add the articles that you add in to those collections. And then finally, you get the search results. And so over here, you can click these checkboxes to add them or not. You can see the title, the authors, and then the journal it was published in. You have the TLDR from Semantic Scholar. This is just a really quick synopsis of what the article covered. And then the abstract here where it's available. So some don't have the abstract coming in from Semantic Scholar. So what we can do is we're going to click to add a few of these in. Well, let's add about 6. That works. Then we can scroll all the way up to the top, and we're just going to click Save Selected Articles. You'll get this spinner that popped up for just a second there. That just will pop up to allow it to finish processing. You want to let that remain up. The more you have, the longer it's going to take to add all of those to your account. So now we have all of these in here, and this page is going to be organized based off last modified. So because these were just added in, they all appear at the top. But we could always go to our collections here and then click on caffeine and exercise, and now they're all organized within here as well. If we go back to our article, you can see if we click on one of these, we have the bibliographic information that came in from Semantic Scholar. But you're not going to get any tags. You're going to have to add your own tags, and you're going to have to add your own notes whenever you're coming in from Semantic Scholar. So you can see we have the authors, the year, the journal, and the page numbers here. And you can always update your information as well. The collections, those were all added to caffeine and exercise, and they won't have any tags or notes because none of that came from Semantic Scholar itself. You can also delete an article. So if I imported an article from Semantic Scholar and I don't want it in my account anymore, I can just click delete, and then I can click delete article, and that will be removed from my account. Now you can easily search and add in articles by search with Semantic Scholar. If you have any questions about this process, please leave me a comment down below, and I hope that you enjoy SciToolHub. Thank you for watching this video.